Hello, I'm Dr. Rochelle Sheely, President and co-founder of RDI Houston, Texas. I'm excited to let you know that Andrea Selfuj will be coming to Belgrade, Serbia, November 16 and 17. She will be presenting a workshop for parents on the 16th and for educators on the 17th. If you're not familiar with RDI, if you always wanted to be better at what you do, you need to attend Andrea's conference. She comes to RDI with an intuitive excitement, and she will share that with you. When you leave, I promise you, you will be hopeful, you will be excited, and you will be ready to try out a few new things, either with your child on the spectrum or with the children in the classroom that you're working with. I am so excited for this conference. Make sure that you go November 16 and 17.